Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you the full camera review of the Redmi Note 5. And yes, I've been using this device for last 2 weeks and I'm playing with the camera a little bit, like shooting some pictures and videos. So I shot some pictures with this rear camera as well as the front camera. So I'll be presenting all of the samples like the normal photos in day and night, the HDR photos in day and night, the selfies. I didn't shoot any selfies at night. The 4K recording, the time lapse, slow motion, and also not full HD recording. So how it is, how the focusing is, and many of YouTubers were complaining about the focusing issue. So yeah, you can see in this samples. So let's start without wasting more time. So guys, before starting with the camera samples, let's take a look at the camera app, and you can see the camera is the MIUI camera app. At the front top we get this flashlight toggle, the HDR toggle. Here we have the filters at the bottom, the options and various modes, panorama, timer, audio, manual, straighten, beautify, night mode, scene and tilt shift. And we have the dedicated button to switch to front camera. Of course, we have here your video recording, and in the video recording we get time lapse and slow motion, which I have shot, and all the samples are present now. So let's move to the samples. Now the first samples are taken with the rear camera, the 12 megapixel rear camera, and these are a combination of normal HDR at day. So there is a text over the picture, so you can easily notice what they are shot and how they are shot at night or at HDR mode. So yeah, let's take a look at the samples now. So guys, those were the samples from the rear camera and also the front camera, all of the selfies. You can see how weird I look, and yes, also how the clarity, and you have like known about this front Redmi Note 5. Now let's move into options, into this settings of the camera, and you can see video quality. I've set it to 4K. So now full HD. So I've shot some videos with also the full HD and also 4K. So let's view them now. This is a video recording sample with the Redmi Note 5, and I'm recording in 180p. So let's take a closer look of objects. And you can see it does focus well, but now it's having trouble. Like you can see, it's still not in focus, and it's taking a time while we are moving. So you can see again we are going close to a subject. You can see this flower. Focus is good, but it's having trouble afterwards. You can see the focusing is not that consistent. You can see I have to use sometimes tap to focus to get it focused. Now let's move to the 4K recording video sample. Recording this video in 4K, and you can see the quality. Afterwards I will be editing, and now it focuses well. You can see the quality through the screen, and it's having the same defocusing issue. Yeah, it says having difficulties while defocusing, and I have to manually tap to like focus it. So yeah, this is all about the video recording and mic sample. These were all the samples shot with the Redmi Note 5, all the pictures and videos. So I hope everything is clear about the full HD, the 4K, the time lapse, the slow motion, the panorama, and all other HDR pictures, the night pictures. So everything is clear with this about the camera. And yes, if you really like this video, press the like button. If not, then the dislike button. And to help me improve, you just need to post a feedback down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos on the Redmi Note 5 and also the upcoming Redmi Note 5 Pro, then just subscribe to my channel. Yes, yeah, there are many other channels who make videos, but yeah, you can just press one button, subscribe my channel, and you can see my videos if you like it. So bye bye guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Yeah.